Something that's existed for almost maybe 100 odd years. Singer Manufacturing. Now I know where Mazda made their engines. Where they got the idea from. It's a new engine that's operating much like this one. And guess what? There we go. Simplicity.